What's the meaning of coquetry? Coquetry. Coquetry.
Coquetry. Coquetry. Coquetry is a flirtatious behavior that involves insincere or frivolous attention to another person. This can include playful teasing, provocative behavior, and insinuating remarks. The goal of coquetry is usually to gain attention or admiration, rather than to form a genuine connection with the other person. While some people find coquetry engaging or amusing, it can also be seen as superficial or manipulative. Overall, coquetry tends to result in a short-lived, surface-level interaction rather than a deep or lasting relationship.